Hi friends! Welcome to our channel. Discover the magic of authentic saffron-infused risotto, your ticket to a gourmet journey through Italian culinary delights. Ingredients: doses for 2 people, 200 grams of Carnaroli rice, 1 medium onion, saffron pistils 1 teaspoon or 1 packet of saffron powder, half a glass of white wine, 1 liter of vegetable broth, extra virgin olive oil to taste, 50 grams of butter, salt to taste, 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Prepare vegetable broth in advance or dissolve bouillon cubes in water and bring water to a boil. Dissolve powdered saffron in water. You add it to risotto 10 minutes before cooking. If you are using saffron pistils, they should be placed in warm water and left to steep for at least 6 hours. Pour olive oil and butter into the pan. Chop the onion. Add finely chopped onion into the pan, and fry it lightly until transparent. Add the rice and brown it. Then add half a glass of white wine and stir the rice until the wine has evaporated. Add a couple of ladles of broth and mix. Salt your risotto. Add broth to the rice as needed, stirring occasionally. Add the saffron to risotto 10 minutes before readiness. At the end of cooking, add the grated Parmesan cheese and a little butter. Mix well to give your risotto a creamy consistency. Your risotto is ready to serve. Bon appetito! Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel.